You know what's more awesome than this? There is nothing. What a chicken, what a chicken, what a chicken. You can make some special chicken recipes, but something grandeur is this ghee roast, but this is a black ghee roast chicken. The masalas get a very special flavor, and when they are roasted in the ghee, it becomes super. But you have to follow the techniques to the tooth. How do you make this black ghee roast chicken? You have to blacken the masalas without getting the bitter taste. You have to enhance the flavor by slowly blackening. So for this, I'm taking small pieces of coconut. They have to be roasted on a slow flame. Whole garam masala, very little. Peppercorns, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds. Remember, nothing should be burnt. They need to be blackened with full flavor on a slow flame. Keep continuously mixing till the color is slightly brown. Once this masala is getting brown, add curry leaf, garlic, poppy seed, some sesame seeds. Once again, keep roasting till this is darkened. Once they are nice and dark, transfer it into a plate, cool it down. Now blend this into a fine powder. We're going to add it in the last once the chicken gets roasted. Now add ghee. For the ghee roast, of course, you need to add some ghee. In this, we're going to add onion, but do not add too much. Just add very finely chopped onion. Add some salt and cook these onions till they are slightly colored. Look at the color. Only when the onions are evenly colored to perfection, add ginger garlic paste. Then do boomba mix. Add little bit of turmeric. Now add chicken pieces. Also add some yogurt. Now let this cook till the chicken is nice and tender. The curd will disappear, it will become the stock and it will flavor your chicken. Even though I have used some boneless chicken, bone is a must for the flavor. If you want, you can also add some chicken stock to this. Look at this masala, slightly blackened, but what an aroma. Now take the masala. Do not add the entire thing, just how much you need. This should be good enough. Add curry leaf, some green chili, also some coriander, and let this cook on a very slow flame. The masalas need to be cooked and everything needs to be roasted till it is fully done. Look at this. Little bit of gisofying is needed. The masalas that getting stuck at the bottom need to be boomba and the masalas will slowly get darkened. Look at the way the masala is hugging and loving that pieces of chicken. Each piece of chicken is something to die for. Very slowly done. The last drop of masala and the ghee and apply. For a quick TaDhaka Dal, add some ghee in a pan, red chili, cumin and some onion. Add the curry leaves. It has to be like smoking hot and the onions slightly getting burnt. Thin dal made out of tur dal. Bring this to a quick boil. Just season it with salt. That's all. Silky dal over the bed of rice. But the king of the day is ghee roast black chicken. My God, this combination will be something you got to try. So let's dig in. Wow, look at this chicken. Wow. Try this masala. Along with this simple dal. This is. You know what's more awesome than this? There is nothing. Make this, eat it and enjoy it every bit. Wow. What a chicken, what a chicken, what a chicken.